Your inspiration board is a powerful and flexible tool for putting together creative inspiration, text, and notes for your backyard projects, front yard projects, any kind of landscaping project you are putting together. So to demonstrate that, we can go into the stone accent lighting section. And when we hover over any of these end product photos, we can add them by hovering over the clipboard icon. I'll add 2 here. And let's go all the way over to the fire bowl section as well. And you'll notice that there aren't any clipboards on the actual navigational thumbnails. We have to go right into the end product thumbnails to see those clipboards. So we'll add that, and then let's go over to the interlocking section. And I'm gonna add this Borealis stepping stone. I like that one, so let's add that to the board. And then I'm gonna go and view it using that notification link. So now I've got a start to the board. I've got some images in there, which I quite like. Let's add a title to it. So this is Ryan's backyard project. And I'm gonna add some notes. This light would look great in the pool shed. And I would love to see these stones leading up to the pool. So I can just make notes about the items and how they pertain to and relate to my project. From there, I can save my inspiration board, work on it again later. I can also copy this link. And if I make any changes, I will then have to save and create that link all over again. But this link can be copied and shared to social media or also emailed out. And then finally, if I want to, I can reset the board and start fresh. So that's your inspiration board, a powerful way to create creative inspiration for your project.